Citations are incredibly important. Providing citations shows your readers that you have read and interpreted someone else's work. Without them, you could potentially run into issues with intellectual property or plagiarism. However, many students and researchers find how to properly cite sources a challenge. Citation Machine is designed to help you create properly formatted citations for your academic and professional work in different styles such as APA, MLA, Chicago, and several other citation styles. Let us suppose you need to cite these two books. First, go to www.citationmachine.net. Once there, you simply input key details about your sources such as the author's name, title, publication date, and type of source, whether it is a book, website, journal, or something else. The tool then organizes this information according to the rules of the selected citation style. You wait for some seconds, and you will have a correctly formatted citation that you can copy and paste directly into your bibliography or works cited page. In addition to this service, Citation Machine offers features to support effective writing and study habits. For example, it includes grammar and spelling checks to help improve your writing. You can also find suggestions to enhance clarity and flow, making your work more readable. Another useful feature is the paraphrasing tool, which helps you rephrase your writing to avoid unintentional plagiarism. Finally, Citation Machine provides plagiarism detection by scanning your text against billions of sources to ensure originality for students and researchers. We hope this tool can be helpful in your work.